Hello, everyone. I'd like to take this opportunity to formally welcome each of you into our new Master of Accounting program. Thank you for trusting us for your graduate studies, and I'm confident that our program will assist you well prepared for the CPA exam and reach to a new level of professional career after you finish the studies. In this short video, I'd like to talk about the new CPA exam, CPA pathways, and the class offerings for our program. There are two concepts we have here. One is the CPA exam, the other one is the CPA pathways. For CPA exams, they are administered by AICPA, which is a professional organization for the current CPAs in the United States. Under the new CPA exam structure, we have four total sections. Among them, you have to take the three core sections or the core classes. We have accounting, financial accounting, auditing, and taxation. Across all of the sections, technology is heavily incorporated in every section of the exam. Beyond the three core classes, you can choose one of the discipline areas. We have business analysis and reporting. We call BAR available. They also have the ISC information systems and controls available as a specialized area, and the traditional TCP, tax compliances and planning. So everyone want to take the CPA exam have to pass the three core sections and then pass one of the three discipline areas. So three disciplines, but one CPA license. So once you get the CPA license, there is no differentiation on which discipline studies you took. And there is no superiority for one discipline over the other one. So they always say three disciplines, but one CPA license. When we try to map the old CPA exam, which they still use it about 2 years ago, and the transition to the new CPA exam structure, the core classes, auditing, FAR, and RAG doesn't change too much. So it's basically adopted from the past exam to the new exam, but they just added the core title to the three sections. So we have the AUD, auditing and attestation, financial accounting and reporting, and then taxation and regulations. And then the difference is on the old BEC. They break down the contents from the BEC and develop it into the three disciplinary areas with addition to more specialized knowledge into the different disciplines. So the BAR, the ISC, and the TCP. So that's kind of the new CPA exam structure. Under the auditing and attestation, you have your undergraduate auditing class, plus the graduate auditing seminar will help you prepare for this section. And then all of your intro to financial accounting, all of your intermediate accounting classes, plus some master level of financial accounting, advanced accounting, business combinations, and governmental accounting topics will help you prepare the FAR and also the BAR section. Okay, that's related. And we have the tax classes, Mr. Perkins, undergraduate tax class, and also his tax seminar in the graduate program will help you deal with the taxation, regulations, business law. You also have the undergraduate class for that. For myself, I have taught the accounting information system, and I'm going to teach your advanced AIS in the graduate program. So that will not only help you prepare the ISC part, but also help you develop a technology, analytical, and AI mindset for all of the sections, which the new CPA exam, okay, that's a definite um, more comprehensive topic they cover in different parts of the exams. So our new MSA program, the course offerings closely mapped to the CPA exam. Um, with all of your undergraduate studies, you should be really ready to sit for the exam maybe later this year or early next spring to save you time. Once you start to take the exam, you needed to finish all of the four sections successfully in an 18 months time frame. Okay, that's the kind of the requirements in terms of the timing. So plan wisely. So once you apply the intent to take the exam and start it, really make sure you have make a commitment of in terms of timing and efforts in this 18 months or a year or whatever the time frame you want to finish, and make really the commitment and get it done. Helpful links. I have a TSBPA in terms of regulations. The regulation of the CPA license, depending on the requirements for each state. So it's not the same uniform CPA exam. So every state you need to pass the CPA exam plus their specified requirements. But I believe still most states are very similar. Okay, even they may have some unique requirements in terms of the educational hours or working experience or some other specifics about the licensing requirements. But they are most similar to each other. But again, before you sit for the exam, make sure which state you want to get your license, and probably you are going to work in the future, because in that case you can apply to take the CPA exam, or like the application need to through the CPA board from that individual state. And I'm listing the website for the TSBPA, basically the oversighting board for Texas CPAs. They have a new pathway for CPA exam and the certifications. So if you click on the link, they have a table. So the table is too large for me to put it here as a image. In the table, they list very clearly how many educational credits for accounting credits, upper level accounting courses, general business classes you must finish before you sit for the exam. I think for each of you with the undergraduate study and with additional like the courses you take this semester, you should be qualified to sit for the exam. So that's I'm saying you can really apply the intent to sit for the exam later this year or early next spring. Okay, that's the TSBPA. Then also the uniform exam, the pathways like the transitional policies. I have the NASPA website, which representing the AICPA for offering resources for the uniform CPA exam. In terms of preparation, the commercial preparation companies, right? So the classes you can take, like Becker, Gleim, your word. There are a bunch of them. These are kind of the famous ones. The charge is different, and also the course design, but they all have discount for students, and also depending on your financial background, they really have the sponsored program to help the applicants to take their classes and pass the exam. I'm also trying to get in touch with Becker or other these companies to get maybe some student discount or program discount for our students to take these additional supplementary courses like planning to help you prepare even better for the CPA exam. And finally, a mapping of our MSA class offerings, the time planning, and also the mapping with the CPA exam. We have a 1-year accelerated master program, so Master of Accounting, 1-year accelerated program. So that's why we specially required applicants to have a undergraduate degree with accounting major, because otherwise there is no way a person can finish all of these upper level accounting courses in a short 1-year period without all of the prerequisites. So this fall, as you already registered and started learning, we have 4 class offerings. Dr. Petrie's Accounting 650. In this class, he will cover the remaining of your intermediate accounting book. Sometimes we call intermediate accounting 3. So those topics will include pension accounting, accounting for leasing, accounting for income taxations, some special revenue recognitions, and any leftover upper-level accounting courses for you to prepare the FAR and the bar section. In the seminar for managerial accounting, Dr. O will continue to push you to a deeper and upper level learning of the managerial accounting topics, job order costing, process costing, CVP analysis, performance evaluations, short-term decision makings. Most of the managerial accounting topics will be covered in the bar section, the business analysis and reports. Okay, that's the discipline section. Then we have Mr. Perkins' taxation seminar, okay, which will really expand and enhance the curriculum you have taken from his undergraduate studies. So you will be ready to sit for the taxation core classes and also the disciplinary TCP parts. Then I have my advanced AIS I explained earlier. This is the technology, data analytic, cybersecurity, internal controls, or it's really talk about the like even like AI or the for the accounting in the AI stage under the ERP system and really the future of the technology side of the accounting system. And then next spring, we have Dr. Radley's auditing seminar. We have 2 more accounting courses, financial accounting, so advanced financial accounting, and also will help you to cover the governmental and not-for-profit accounting. Business combinations, valuation models. So we are using 651 and 660 to pick up any remaining topics in the FAR and VAR, and maybe the even the TCP part of the exam. We are also scheduling a internship class. You can use a real-world internship to count for credit of this class, and or you can use a approved class to substitute the internship. But we will work on that, once we reach to the class offerings next spring. And finally, next summer, you can finish the elective general business classes under the graduate level. I believe you should have enough choices from management, finance, like MIS, marketing even, to satisfy those elective classes. And then you are done for 1 year accelerated. You will be finishing your master program, already started your CPA exam, and really looking forward, for a new chapter of your professional development. So I will stop here. Any question, I emailed you already. Stop by my office or email me, and I will see you in our class.